Hello everyone, welcome to Devs Assemble. Since now we know what blockchain is, it's time to look into why do we need to use blockchain or what are the features of blockchain. So the first one is value without trust. Now as we already know how blockchain provides value by enabling exchange without trust. Second is immutability. Immutability means something that cannot be changed or altered. This is one of the top blockchain features that helps to ensure that once the data is put on the blockchain, the data can never be altered. Third is decentralized. The network is decentralized, meaning it doesn't have any governing authority or a single person or entity looking after the framework. Rather, a group of nodes, computers, or servers across the world maintains the network, making it decentralized. Distributed ledger. For every transaction, the blockchain stores multiple copies of data distributed across all the nodes. Transparency. Remember, once you put something on the blockchain, it stays there permanently and thus make it really easy to go back and look at the transaction history. Every change on the blockchain is recorded and is viewable according to the type of blockchain we are using, public or private. We will discuss about them later, but it's completely transparent to everybody. Next is resilience through replication. Let's say we have an important document which I have saved on my computer or a server. Then, if my computer crashes due to hardware failure or virus, the document is lost. But what if I have shared a copy of the document across all my co-workers' system? Then, in that case, I will have a high chances of recovering the document from other computers. Since the blockchain is completely decentralized and the data is replicated across multiple nodes, it is thus highly resilient to system failures. The next one is increased efficiency and secure. Blockchain processing is very fast as there is no need of middleman or manual intervention. It is secure as it uses encryption to maintain the integrity of the data. Blockchain facilitates faster transactions by allowing P2P, which is also known as peer to peer or person to person, cross border transfers. Let's take a look at a couple of real world examples. So first one is like P2P cross border transfers. We have already discussed about the uses of blockchain to exchange digital currency without a bank. It makes very much sense when we want to transfer money to someone in another country. Traditionally, the whole transaction will take a couple of days to finally credit the amount in the other person's account, but in case of blockchain, this could be done in seconds. The other use case in real estate. Let's say I have purchased a real estate property, then the ownership document could be stored on the blockchain. As we know, the data put on the blockchain cannot be changed and is visible to all. Thus, we completely eliminate the risk of fraud or property disputes. The same logic can be applied to anything in the physical world. Programmable money. Uh, Programmable money is useful when we want the money to be used for specific purposes only. For example, when the government transfers money to the beneficiaries, to citizens, for the purpose of spending on food or education, then that money can be programmed in such a way that it could not be used to spend on liquor stores or furniture shopping. Another good use cases would be smart contracts. We could write the terms of agreement and put it on the blockchain, which is what we call as smart contracts. A smart contract is an automatically executing contract based on the fulfillment of the conditions. We will discuss about this in detail later on, so don't worry about that. Just to explain it with a simple example, uh, we can put a smart contract which will automatically transfer, let's say, $10,000 from person A's account to person B's account as soon as the person B delivers 1,000 units of equipment and updates it on the blockchain. So this is a pretty good example, a use case of smart contract. And we also have few other use cases as well, such as supply chain logistics monitoring, secure sharing of medical data, NFT marketplaces, and all those. So the possibilities are endless. All right. So in next video, we are going to learn about the blockchain data and blocks and how they are stored. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.